Good day everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the Starbucks and its origin. Starbucks is one of the most popular coffee shop in the world. It is known for serving coffee, espresso, frappuccino, and tea. Many people also love the relaxing and comfortable place like Starbucks provide where they can study, work, or talk with friends. Starbucks started in 1971 at Seattle, Washington, USA. It was founded by three friends, Jerry Baldwin, Zeltzil, and Gordon Bowker. At the first Starbucks, they didn't sell ready-made coffee. They only sold coffee beans and equipment for making coffee at home. The name Starbucks came from a character in the book, Moby Dick. The founder want a name related to the sea because Seattle is a port city. That also why their logo is a mermaid, also called a siren, which represent the sea and attraction, just like how the smell of the coffee attracts people. In 1982, Howard Schultz joined Starbucks when he visited Italy. He saw how many people enjoyed the coffee in small cafe and talked with friends while drinking espresso. Um, he want to bring the same idea to the America, a place where people could enjoy the coffee together, not just buy beans. Because of this, Starbucks started selling brewed coffee and espresso drinks, and it became very popular and began to expand in many places over the years. Starbucks opened a thousand of stores all around the world and became one of the most famous coffee brands. Aside from that, coffee Starbucks also supported coffee farmers and use eco-friendly practices. This means they care about the environment and the people who grow their coffee beans. However, Starbucks started as a small coffee bean shop in Seattle but became a global brand because of creativity, passion, and a focus on giving customer a great experience that even small businesses can grow big if it has a strong idea and purposes.